In today's video, we're taking a look at how to remove a bathroom faucet easy and simple. This is so easy, anyone could do everything that we use on the video. We're going to leave a link on the description. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. That does help us out a lot. Thank you. So you woke up today and you feel like doing some work. You saw the faucet and you say, I don't like it no more. Don't worry. Here at the StatUpBox team, we've got your back. And if you want to check out our bathroom faucet replacement video, we're going to leave a link on the description. So the first thing that we want to do is verify that we have the correct house. The second thing that we want to verify is that we have the correct bathroom. Now that we've gone through the engineering data, we're ready to proceed. And what we want to start by doing is shutting off the water. So that means we're going to bend our bodies in ways that it's never seen before. We get under the sink and find the shut off valve. And we do this to avoid any free pools. And even though we like free, today is not that day. We go ahead and unpretzel our body and open the faucet to verify that there's no water on the lines. Always having a rag and a bucket nearby is the way to go. We're going to go ahead and remove the line that provides water to the faucet. And remember, in this case, we have two, the cold and the hot. There's no particular order how to start. So we're going to see a nut-like connector at the end of the tubing. We're going to take our pliers or wrench and follow the ancient rule passed down generation to generation of lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. Once we conquered the first level of the plumbing world, we're ready for the third step. We're going to follow that line all the way to the faucet on the top, and we're going to follow the same procedure to disconnect it. Having a flashlight in dark places goes a long way. This is the part of the video where you show the world that your body could be contorted, pretzeled, broken down, and even rebroken, and to later be rebuilt once again. In some cases, because of the humidity, they may be stuck in there. So using maximum strength may be required. All those years of opening things have led to this moment. We can loosen it with the pliers and then finish with our hands. And don't forget the ancient rule of lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. Once they're removed, we're ready for our next plan of attack. We're going to see a ring-like connector that in many cases can be removed by hand. But remember, you can always use some pliers or a plumber's tool to remove. We're going to use the same technique of lefty-loosey, righty-tighty, and these are the adapters that hold your faucet in place. So even though your body is asking for how much longer does it need to be bended in this position, tell it you're almost there, grasshopper. We're going to do both sides. Now, depending on your model, if you have a plug drainer lever, if you have to do this additional step. If you do, we're going to go ahead and remove it. We're going to use the same technique of lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. And you're going to notice this is a connector that connects to the drain. And then you're going to see a bar, a tube, or a stick that goes all the way up to the faucet. Remember, you always want to save these parts in case you need it for the new faucet. In some, you may have to remove an additional screw to remove the lever. Now, you should be able to remove the faucet easily. In some cases, you might have caulking that needs to be removed beforehand. You can always use a razor blade to remove. And now you've done it, grasshopper. You made your bathroom 30% cheaper. Your home's value is going down the drain. Now, you have no water and no faucet. Don't forget, if you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. That really helps. If you have any questions, place them in the comment section below. Either someone on the StatUpBox team or someone on the YouTube community can help you out with an answer. Don't forget to subscribe, follow us on social media. Thank you for watching, and here's a link to our latest video.